Hi guys, today I'm going to make a quick tutorial for Insightly. So first off guys, we have to click on try CRM free. After that we have to write in our first name. My first name is Ned. Our last name is Tech. And our email address is this one. So guys, we have to follow these rules for our password, which are must have at least 8 characters and have one special and one special character or number. So I did follow both of these rules. Now we have to verify our things with Google. So we click on verify now. Here is it. Verify with our email and click on continue and just go into the app. It might take a minute or some seconds, but don't worry. Here is it guys. We just logged in. So first off guys, we have to enter what's our organization name or our organization name. Our organization name is NetTech. The number of people in our organization is from 6 to 10. Let's say that we're interested in IT services, and our phone number is this one. So we can add people right here guys, but we don't need that. We will just see how much sales have we gotten right now. Let's refresh the cart and see how much sales have we gotten. We can see our pipeline funnel, our sales pipeline weighted, and our number of apps by state. We can see our tasks guys. We can create some tasks, like we can set it to the organize files assigned to me, like to whoever you want. After adding users, you can assign them to them. You can select the category, like to do phone call, meetings, get started, follow up, email. But I won't select anything. You can also add all these kinds of information. You can add description like some gibberish. We can make the size too large, huge. You can make the text bold. You can do all these kinds of things. But I'll just set this. Here is it guys. So organize, we can we can delete the task, we can clone a task, we can print a task, we can change the record owner, we can complete the task and clone. Here guys, you see that we have made the task complete and we can just clone it. We can see our contacts, like these people, like Roger Mills. I don't know who Roger Mills is, but he's one of our contacts. We can delete them, edit them, add tags, and all kinds of things. We can see our leads, our organizations, our opportunities, our projects, our emails, our calendar, the dashboards. The dashboards is one of the great things about Insightly. It has opportunities dashboard, project dashboards, and leads dashboard. So we also have the reports card. Here is the contact report. It's like a chart. See guys, the Aaron Lang is on the first place. He's a CMO from. He isn't from our organization, but it doesn't matter. So this is kind of it, guys. Let me just show you the paid subscriptions like we are using right now. The free plan, there's a plus plan, a professional, and an enterprise plan. So right now we are using the professional plan because we're in our free trial, our 14-day free trial. After 14 days we will be forced to the free plan, which is for $0 a month. The professional is $49 per month. The plus is $29 a month, and the enterprise is $99 a month for larger companies. As you can see, guys, all these plans are built annually, and the more you pay, the more you get. It's simple as that, guys. And just, guys, I think that kind of sums it up for this video. I wish you guys all the best, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.